this is my first attempt at in-ground gardening. I have been using my raised beds. Last year I put my tomato plants in here, Determinate ones, same ones that I'm planting today, and used the Florida weave with some string and some orange tape so that the lawnmowers would know to stay away from it. And this is what is left. But because of the rain, we had such bad rain last year that I did not get much of a harvest. We're going to try again. And adding some mushroom compost, granular fertilizer, a little bit of potting soil for nutrition. I have 2 types of Determinate, and I'm doing Determinate because I want the whole harvest and I don't want to mess with 8-foot or 12-foot vines. And I'm also going to be under some shade, more so on this end than on the front. Tomatoes do not need to be stressed out in zone 8A. Right here, these are a little bit stressed out already because they're ready to go in the ground. This one is Tasmanian chocolate. I'm going to put him in the ground. I'm not going to Florida weave until they start growing, but I have a few cute little roots here as well. So using my hori hori, making a little bit of a hole, and you know, and I don't need much of a hole. Adding in a little bit of dirt and a little bit of mushroom compost, and then now, because this is Determinate, I am not going to bury it up the stem because I do not want to lose the ability to have this branch out. In Determinate, that's where you will go up the stem of the tomato because it will make further roots. For Determinate, I get one little bush. Once it's done bushing, that's all I get. So I will not be pruning unless I have some leaves that are really close touching the ground and into the dirt and getting some disease. Other than that, these will not be pruned. Another reason why I want to use Determinate. Here is the plum regal. It does grow a little bit different than the other one and also has cute little roots. And this is where I have a lot of sand. There's my tomatoes. Hopefully it does not pour rain this June. And here I was planting these beautiful tomatoes and the downpour of our spring started. Really thought that we wouldn't be seeing that. And they appear to have really taken hold, taken root. So now I'm going to dig them up. And I'm going to put them in my garden bed so I don't lose all 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 of them. They look so green. Some of them look more fluffy than the others, but they're not going to handle too much more of this. We're nonstop rain. So I'm going to just pull them up and transplant them all into my beds. My garden beds. You can see we still have the paper pot on that one. I did put a basil in here. It's doing okay. We'll see how that does. Let me just get all of these guys out. Put them where I know they're going to survive. I hope to have enough tomatoes for some sauces, salsa, chunk tomatoes, tomato juice. I hope your garden is doing well and that you have good plans. Follow for more.